Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a citation in Google Docs. So there's a nice feature that's actually included in Google Docs that'll help you properly format a citation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab, select Citations. So over here on the right side, you can select if you want to do an MLA, APA, or Chicago format. And you would just select that and then select the Add Citation Source. Select a source type from this list, accessed by a certain website or book source, again, depending on the source type. And then you can also go ahead and actually just type in the URL here and then select Search. And then it'll tell you what information is missing, which is okay. In certain citations, you just wouldn't display obviously missing information. And then select Continue. And then any other information you're able to fill in here, you would fill that in. And select Add Citation Source. And then Insert Works Cited. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. A lot easier than having to manually type it out like they taught you back in grade school. So pretty straightforward process, like I said. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.